Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. For those new here, my name is Tanya. So today I'm going to be taking you through the very easy step of making Bannock bread, which is one of the easiest breads that you can make. It can be made in as little as 4 ingredients. Today I'm using 6 just to add some extra flavor. So let's get started. So for this recipe, we're going to be using 2.5 cups just all-purpose flour, which I already have in here. We're going to be using 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of salt and sugar. Now this is the 2 ingredients that you don't have to put in, but just for some extra flavor, I am. Half a teaspoon sugar, half a teaspoon salt. Just give that a quick mix. And then we're going to be using 3 tablespoons of oil. Some people use lard or butter. I'm using oil. So with the no yeast in this, we don't have to take the time to let this rise. So it's something that can be made and cooked right away. And then to this, we're adding 1 cup of cold water. And this is going to form a fairly sticky dough, so don't worry about that. Going to give it a real quick knead. You don't have to do this. A lot of people don't. So that's what your dough is going to look like. So Bannock is extremely versatile in how you can cook it. You can form it into these little discs and deep fry that in some oil, and that can be used as a base for tacos if you want. You can cook this over a campfire. You wrap it around a stick and then roast it out over an open fire, which is really good if you're out in the woods. But today I'm just going to do a very rustic loaf and bake it. So you want to have your oven preheating to 375 to 400. I've got a cookie sheet lined with parchment paper. You said this is a very rustic bread, so you don't have to fuss with it. So I'm going to pop this into the oven and we'll see you when it's ready. So here's our bread that just came out of the oven. Looking very delicious. Slide this onto my cutting board. And we're going to slice into this. See what we have. Very hot. So there it is. It has a really nice crispy exterior, but the middle is very soft. It's more of a crumbly texture than your regular bread, but yeah, very nice. So when you have fresh bread that's just come out of the oven, you have to give it a taste test. How good that looks. Very good. It's not like a regular bread. It's not as light as a regular bread. It's more dense. So I hope you give it a try. If you like our video, give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. We'll see you next time.